welcome to ggmix. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Greek inspired sweet and sour slow cooked lamb roast that's lemony and garlicky and with subtle hints of sweetness. This lamb roast is super simple to make, plus it will satisfy all your taste buds. And I'm going to also show you how to use your lamb's juices to season your potatoes so you'll end up with roasties that are crispy on the outside and soft and fluffy in the middle. So let's get started. I'm using a 2 kilo leg of lamb and I'm going to add slots all the way around, and in each slot I'm going to add a slice of garlic. I've sliced 5 garlic cloves because I want my meat to have lots of flavour. And drizzle over some olive oil. I don't measure it, I just make sure that all my lamb is covered with it. Then the juice of a whole lemon. This will give our lamb the lemony flavour we are going for, plus it will also tenderise our lamb, which will give us soft, succulent meat. Add a sprinkle of oregano or herb of your choice. I love oregano, so that's why I use it. Then add 3 bay leaves. This will add a beautiful fragrance to our lamb. And finally, season with some salt and pepper and cover with foil and leave everything to marinate for 30 minutes. I like to leave my meat to come to room temperature, because if I just took it out of the oven and put it straight in the oven, the difference in temperature is going to be so drastic that my meat is just going to like shrivel up and give us a tough meat, and that's not what we're looking for. But if it's come to room temperature and then I put it into the oven, the difference in temperature is not going to be as drastic, so we're going to end up having soft, succulent meat. After your 30 minutes, add your lamb to your preheated 180 degrees oven and turn your timer on for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, take your lamb out and baste it with the juices. Cover again with foil and cook for another 30 minutes, repeating the basting for the next 2 to 3 hours every 30 minutes. For the last hour, boil your potatoes for 10 minutes, then drain and rough them up a bit. Get most of your lamb's juices and put them in a tray, and add your fluffed up potatoes to the oil and make sure they are all covered. Then put them in the oven on the shelf above your meat and cook for 25 minutes. If you want a more in-depth video on how to make the crispiest potatoes with a soft fluffy centre, I will leave a link to my soft fluffy potatoes video below. Whilst the lamb and potatoes are cooking, let's make our sweet and sour glaze. Add 2 tablespoons of honey. This will add sweetness and texture. Add the zest and juice of 1 lemon for sourness, some olive oil and salt and pepper, and whisk everything together. When your 25 minutes are up, take out your potatoes and turn them over and put them back in the oven and cook for another 25 minutes. And take out your lamb and drizzle over your sweet and sour glaze and put it back in the oven for the final 25 minutes without the foil. This will give our lamb a crisp texture, a powerful hit of lemoniness and a subtle hint of sweetness. I like to serve my Greek sweet and sour slow roasted lamb with crispy potatoes, my 30-minute lemoniest lemon rice, orange honey glazed carrots, roasted tomatoes and onions. I'll leave a link to my 30-minute lemoniest lemon rice video and crispy roast potatoes video below if you want to have a watch. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and share. And if you want to keep up to date with all my latest videos, please subscribe below. So until next time, bye!